Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use one-handed mode in Samsung Galaxy F13 smartphone. Okay, to enable it, first go to settings. Okay, in settings, slide down and go to advanced features, and over there you can see one-handed mode. Just tap over there to enable it, and you can see it has gesture and button. Both features are available, gesture and button. So if you go in gesture, so here you can see slide down like this to go in one-handed mode, and this is to move it left to right, you can see. And if we tap outside, it will again go in full screen mode. And if we go to the button, just double tap to go in one-handed mode like this is to move it left or right. And if we tap outside, it will again go in full screen mode, and this is to swipe down like this, you can see, to go in one-handed mode. This is to move left and right, and if we tap outside, it will again go in full screen mode. You can see both features are really good and convenient, you can see. And if we tap outside, will again go in full screen mode. So guys, this is the method to use one-handed mode in Samsung Galaxy F13 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.